So I made this out of Walkman. So yeah, let's try it. So I'm the control man. So there, the engine is moving at 50. Well, just go over 50. Now I'm to make him go faster. Now we're talking. He's past 90. Whoa. Whoa, it's kind of hard to keep up with him. I'm putting him at full throttle. Come on. You need to see him at full throttle. But I'm putting phone on. Wow. Oh, the engine crashed into it. Yeah. Stop! I'm going to put on this tanker.
It does not have a garage, no. It does have an outdoor shower, so when you come up from the lake all dirty, you can rinse off before going into the house. It's a 2-bedroom.
Whoa! He's crashed.
$249,000.
Whoa. Oh my God. He's crashing. It's an incident. There was a major incident this week at 3:05 p.m. The train in Santa Fe number 6067. He crashed into a tank. His front box car derailed, and so it derailed and crashed and toppled over. So yeah, that's our news report. I don't even know if 6067 is still in service. Well, my railway he sure is.
I love the swimming porch. This is awesome. Big open area.
Whoa, throttle! Yeah, the throttle. Of course I need to do some. It's like there's a thick fog. It's like there's a fog on here. I like the scenery. It's like there's fog. Weep. Let's make him. Oh, yeah. All right. I heard that, I think. That was the model train. Yes, the model train. I'm not 8 yet, but almost. So I'm still playing with this. And
It's kind of small, but I think it could work. Hopefully this is a bus stop.
oh, 0 miles.
So this looks like a full bathroom. This would work.
Yeah, needs a little feeding too.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, here's another bedroom.
Hey, this is nice size.
This is probably the master bedroom. I like the fan. You always like to sleep with a fan.
Exactly.
You know what? Since that's too
Fireplace.
hard, I'm putting the
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, we could even come here in the wintertime.
tanker.
Yeah, you always like a fire. Wow. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Now that
That's
is
beautiful.
fabulous.
We should move the master bedroom up here.
That's a great idea. Put the kids
Yeah.
downstairs and we'll enjoy the view.
Don't
Okay.
waste this view on them kids.
But look how many people
Let's
can sleep
put
up here
the
in the loft.
engine
Me
on.
and 2 twins.
Plenty of room for the kids and then any friends that want to tag along with us.
All
and our
right.
family. Oh, so this is the other half bath.
It's a little small, but
It's a little small, but it's nice to have that up in the loft area.
Hey, what you guys think?
I love the views from the porch. Fabulous lake view. But I am concerned because there's only 1.5 bathrooms. I really like the high ceilings and the
Alright,
fireplace.
sorry.
it didn't have a garage.
No garage.
Engine keeps derailing. I
Rent that out for the shower.
Okay.
keep needing.
Another awesome mom.
Whoa!
Check it out.
The engine, it's back on the rails, and it's crashed into its tanker and like, whoa! And I'm to keep it. That's a lightning flash.
Really good.